The real reason I wanted to come today was to tell you the story of Rosita. We headed off to Buenos Aires for 5 days, and we met the most incredible family, okay? We met Rosita. Rosita is the daughter of the eldest brother that settled in Argentina. Mark is the son, my husband, the son of the youngest brother that settled in New York. Why did we find her? Because Argentinian women are proud and they don't change their names and take their husband's name. So she's still a Gelbaum. They had told us, oh, bring some family pictures, okay? So we brought a whole envelope of family pictures. Rosita came to the meeting with the family pictures. How did we get our family pictures? When Mark's father was alive, he had this trunk, you know, the foot lockers you used to travel with, locked in the hall closet. Instructions not to open it. So when he was alive, nobody opened it. When he passed away, his wife, Mark's mom, refused to open it. We waited. When she passed away, the 3 boys sat down with this trunk and broke it open. What was inside? I was expecting all this travel paraphernalia from all these amazing trips he was on. No, there was a collection of photographs. No names, no dates, no places, just these old photographs. That's what we brought to meet Rosita with. What did Rosita bring? Where did she get her photographs? When her father was alive, he had this trunk locked with instructions not to open it. And when he passed, okay, his wife, Rosita's mother, opened it. What was inside? The identical pictures. Identical.